Is your 2014-2020 Chevy Impala key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is likely the culprit. This video provides a simple, step-by-step guide to replacing it yourself, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. We'll focus on the CR2032 battery and the tools you'll need. Your Impala key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This specific battery type is essential for proper function. The CR2032 is very common and easily available at most drugstores, supermarkets, or online retailers like Amazon. Make sure you purchase exactly a CR2032, as other battery types will not work properly. Consider brands like Energizer or Duracell for reliable performance, or longer-lasting lithium variants for extended battery life in your key fob. Before you begin, gather these essential tools. First, a small Phillips head screwdriver, depending on your fob model, or a flathead screwdriver, if that's what your model requires. Next, a plastic pry tool, or a butter knife, used carefully to avoid scratches. Also have a soft cloth handy to protect the fob's surface. A precision screwdriver kit is ideal for this task. First, locate the seam on the back of the key fob. Some models have a small screw securing the two halves. If so, remove it with your screwdriver. Next, gently insert the plastic pry tool or butter knife into the seam and carefully pry the fob open. Work your way around the seam to avoid damaging the case. Take your time and apply steady pressure. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note its orientation, typically with the positive plus side facing up. Use your finger or a small tool to gently pop out the old battery. Now insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's correctly oriented. Make sure it sits securely in its place. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. If there was a screw, reinsert and tighten it. Now test the fob's functions: lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic button. Try from a distance of 10 to 20 feet to ensure the battery is properly connected and the fob is working correctly. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, start by double-checking the battery's orientation. The positive side should face up in the fob. Next, make sure the battery is securely seated in the compartment. Press it firmly to ensure good electrical contact. Inspect the circuit board inside the fob for any signs of damage, such as water corrosion or physical wear. If these steps don't resolve the issue, the fob may need reprogramming by a professional technician, or there could be an internal hardware fault requiring repair. While physical key fobs are still common, automotive technology is moving towards digital keys and smartphone integration. Newer Chevy models offer digital key options via the My Chevy app, reducing reliance on physical fobs. However, for your 2014-2020 Impala, keeping your fob battery fresh ensures continued functionality. Consider eco-friendly battery options as they become more available.